In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about creating packages for sale in our dynamic packages area. First tab that opens up is our packages area here, and it's as simple as click on create a package. From here, we can give this package a name, a description, and specify how many searches in each area the person will get when they purchase this from you. So let's say, for example, we wanted this to be our discovery package. Let's go. Discovery package. We want this to be 500 leads per month. And we can say, okay, we want 400 industry search, we want 100 people search, and we want that to be monthly. So any of the figures that we're putting in here will be how many leads per period they get. If that period's monthly, you'll be able to put it there, or yearly. So for example, if that might be 4,000 per year or 1,000 in a year. So you just need to work out what period of time the leads are going to refresh. So if somebody's got 400 a month, they might have 5,000 for the year, depending on how you want to create that package. So once you've created the package with a name, you've given it a description and specified how many searches does this package include, clicking on save will now show you the next screen where we'll be able to have that package here. Now we're not quite done yet, because what we see here is this get link area. And get link allows us to create our data string and our dynamic package URL. Now what this means is this URL that's here, and you can copy it with our little clipboard icon here. This little URL is what you will need to be able to create a sale transaction with this new package that you've just created. So there's tutorials already on creating a sale using Zapier or any kind of payment software that you've got out there. Go high level, or it might be Thrivecart or anything like that. You can create a sale, use this API and this data, first name, last name, and the verification key that will create a package for you in this particular space. And then your customers will be able to log in. So we covered that in separate tutorials, but here we can create a package with any number of leads for sale. And it's also here that you'll be able to see how many of your credits per month are still remaining. So if for example, you've got a 1,000 leads package and you've got 10,000 leads that are allocated, as you've sold this out, let's say 10 times, and those clients are using those leads, you'll be able to see how many are left for the month.